Hello, Paul is the best for UK here, and welcome to another video. So today we're looking at Speedboat Assassin. This is a game I had back as a kid, actually, back in the 80s. Well, it would have been early 90s, I think. Let's go for control options. Yeah, we'll have Sinclair port 1, and let's start the game. So we're on to next mission, London. These are all the missions. So the helicopter sort of like drops your speedboat down. And what you got to do on the first bit is you got to dodge all the mines. Oh, you fuck! Not like that. Right, let's give this another go here. So this is the first section. I do remember this game well on the Spectrum, actually. I used to love it back as a kid. Yep, so you got to dodge all these mines basically. Nice colourful horizon there. We've got some nice splash of colour, red, greens and blues. So that's look good to see. Turn a bit just to dodge the mines. Once you've got past the mines, you have to shoot some baddies, if I remember correctly. Destroy the terrors. Okay, so now you get loaded with your weapon. I think I missed my weapon, so I can't shoot the terrors. Oh shit. Whoa, so there's other speedboats on this section. He's not dropping my ammo for me for some reason. I'm sure he dropped ammo for you. Oh, you fuck. At least it destroyed his boat as well. So at least you get to start from this section. The helicopter comes, but he's not equipping me. So where do I shoot? Sorry about that Windows noise then. I think that's sticky keys or something. That's weird. I can't shoot the terrors because I haven't got no bullets. Or if I have, the fire button isn't working. See, I can't remember, to be honest. Wait. Oh, I thought I was going to steer past him then, but it didn't happen. Destroy the terrors. Hey, you gave me some that time, didn't they? How did that work? Hey, I've got bullets now, look. Check it out. Have some of that. There we go. Yeah, like I said earlier, the horizon's nice and colourful. Graphics are okay. Look, the mines look the part. They look okay. The sort of scaling it tries to do is alright. Oh, there's a terror, but I didn't quite get it. Have some of these. Whoa! Oh, that was close. Got that baddie, but I need to get the terrors. Oh, I just shot that thing. Yeah, there's one here. There we go, there's a tower. That's one of the towers done. Oh, I shot the mine in front of the baddie, but I didn't get the baddie, did I? Oh, you fuck. Right, let's try and get these guys here. So I hope everyone's having a nice Saturday. Saturday evening. Right, let's destroy some of these. Have some of these and have some of that. There's one of the towers there. Oh, not fast enough, unfortunately. Destroy the towers. I swear I've got worse at games as I've got older. I'm sure I used to be better than this back in the day. Oh, that was close. Fire at well. Oh shit. Whoa, nearly. Oh, not enough hits on the tower. You can actually shoot the mines as well. Oh, close. There's another tower. Trouble is, you try and shoot the tower and other things get in your way. Oh, that was good going. There's one more tower to go, I think. So if you look on player 1, it's got that purple thing. I think that's the last tower, isn't it? So I just noticed you can have 2 players on the game. I think that would be take it in turns, to be honest, not cooperative. Definitely not split screen, I wouldn't have thought. Oh, seriously? Oh, game over. So yeah, that was a quick look at, you get to put your name in as well. that was a quick look at Speedboat Assassin on the ZX Spectrum, and I'm going to give that one a nice 7 out of 10. Seems like an alright game. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Goodbye!